Roundy.
Hey, love is everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bertha and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is a little different. We are going to be installing a wig. The wig I'm installing, I think this is like 26-inch body wave. It's a frontal wig, so that's what we're doing. Because right now we're not gonna show that here. Anything I got from Amazon, I think I'm gonna just list it in the description. I got these wig caps from Amazon, these edge bands, the Ebon Wonder Lace Bond. I got to be for my cap. I got this for my braids, my Mikianas. I got some mousse for when I'm starting to do my baby hairs and edges. I got some rubbing alcohol to take off any additional glue off my frontal, which there is a little bit. I got my Got2b. This is the only bottle of Got2b that I use as far as like the glue. I got my lace glue, and I usually use Ghost Bond. And then I have like a mini Wonder Lace by Ebon, a mini, and I'm gonna be using this one because 10 out of 10. And I don't know why. I usually like Ghost Bond a lot, but I feel like Ghost Bond gets like that untamable gooiness, and it's just like, I don't know, something about it is just different. It's just different than this, or maybe I'm just being biased, but no, this is like, I've only used this like twice, and this is like, I've been using this my entire wig career, so we not doing it. Oh, that was good. I made it inside. That's a good sign. Okay, so this is the wig glue that I'm going to be using. I got my hot comb for, you know, I be seeing the girlies do the, they be getting in there. So I came prepared. I have 2 combs. I don't have no rat tails. I don't know. I had a pink rat tail that I had just got, and I don't know where it's at, so whatever. We don't really need her anyways. Fuck her. I'm scared. This is not a tutorial. Okay. It's just a girl riding around and getting it. It's gonna be a simple install. The wig's coming off. I'm not bald, so I don't care. But hang time on 100. Every time girls look ugly, we'll be like, but I got hair though. I'm like, bitch, you look like fucking Rufus. Laughing too much already. Don't mind my armpits. I didn't shave them, and I don't care. But first thing I'm gonna do is put some of this Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. It's a setting mousse, and it's usually for braids. Like, I use this for my locks, just to control any flyaways or anything like that. But I'm gonna use them for these today. Okay, this is looking good. It's looking good. It's looking like it's setting. So let's put this wig cap on. That's how I feel right now. So I'm gonna cut my ear holes, and if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at the mirror. All right. Other side, got the other ear out. We're gonna do the Got2b, and then I usually, well, what I did last time was I did the same thing with the Ebon, just so it had like extra hold and grip you up, because I ain't with the shit. Me personally, I don't like to do it too close to my edges because I like my edges, and I don't force the This is usually where you use your tint spray or whatever, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to use some foundation on my brush. We're gonna band this bad boy pink all day. Alright, I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'll be back. I'm just gonna clean up and stuff like that. Good morning. I'm back. My camera actually died last night, so I didn't get to do my edges, but I'm gonna do them this morning, which makes sense because I have work today. And to go to sleep, I just like twisted them and put a little scrunchie on them. But let's take this band off. First of all, this thing was eating my ears up all night, sweetie. All freaking night. Okay, and it looks good. I did cut more of the lace. Alright, so let's do edges. Okay, let's get down to business. Maybe that was too much. I'm gonna cut this side a little bit because I cut the other side. And I'm just cleaning up some of the mess. You know how hair is caught in between. You just don't want to look in front of you. Because what you don't see, people will. And they will not tell you nothing. So looks amazing. So sorry y'all, my cameraman is full. But what I'm gonna do in the meantime, I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna put my band on just to secure my edges, and then I'm going to be back when I'm done and all dressed. Show you guys the finished look. Yep. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I love it. I got some wings from Wings and Things. What's it called? Wing thing? I don't know. Some wing spot by me, but I'm all dressed for work. And yeah. So I'll see you guys later.